Okay, so there's this huge debate online right now about EV batteries. It all blew up from this one pretty provocative post on Reddit. Yeah, this one comment got EV owners and tech fans really fired up. So the question is Tesla's big battery innovation already a thing of the past? At the center of it all is a company you might not know, CATL. So just how big is this challenger? Well, they're an absolute giant. Get this. CATL controls over 38% of the entire global EV battery market. And they have more than 21,000 people working just on R&D. Plus, they've racked up almost 50,000 patents. It's kind of wild. And their customers, basically every major car brand you can possibly think of. Okay, to really get this debate, you have to understand one key technical detail. As one Redditor put it, it's all about pack level versus cell level. See, cell density is the raw power inside. Pack density is about engineering efficiency. And CATL's big claim is that their packaging is just way more efficient. So is it just a simple case of a new champ taking out the old one? Well, here's the twist, as this Reddit user points out so perfectly. Because it's not just a rivalry. Tesla is actually one of CATL's biggest customers. And you can see it in their financials. EV batteries are pretty much their whole game. So what's the real takeaway from this whole battery battle? What really matters here? It's the intense pressure specialists like CATL put on do-it-all innovators like Tesla. And you know what? This insane competition forces everyone in the industry to innovate faster. Ultimately, that drives costs down, which is great news for, well, all of us. The battery war is on, but the real question is, who will build the best car around it?